Bitcoin is a digital currency that allows for transactions without the need for central authorities like banks. While Bitcoin has its benefits, there are also risks associated with it, such as hacking and its association with illegal activities. Now, what makes Bitcoin unique is that it is decentralized. This means there is no central authority or government controlling it. Transactions with Bitcoin are conducted directly between users via peer-to-peer technology, so they don't pass through a banking system. This gives Bitcoin its reputation for being a kind of Wild West for currencies. To store and send Bitcoins, you need a digital wallet, which can simply be an app on your phone. Every transaction is recorded in a public record known as the blockchain, providing transparency, yet also maintaining a user's anonymity because names are not associated with transactions, only their unique wallet IDs. A common question is, how are Bitcoins created? Well, here's the twist: they are mined. Not like gold, but digitally, through a process involving complex mathematical problems, which, when solved, reward the miner with new Bitcoins. As of now, there are about 18.5 million Bitcoins in existence, and the maximum that will ever exist is capped at 21 million. So, why is Bitcoin valuable? Primarily because people are willing to exchange real products and services for it. Some like it for its anonymity, others because it challenges the traditional banking model. However, let's remember, Bitcoin's value is extremely volatile. It can change drastically in a short span of time. Also, while Bitcoin has become more accepted, it is still not a universal form of payment, and many places do not accept it. And again, while Bitcoin has its benefits, it's not without risks. Besides its volatility, it's been associated with illegal activities due to its anonymous nature, and digital wallets can get hacked. That's your 2-minute crash course on Bitcoin. Hopefully, it's given you a little more insight into this digital breed of currency. And remember, if you dabble in the world of cryptocurrency, it's all about running that fine line between risk and reward.